I just wanted to give you a preview of your class and kind of walk through what you would be seeing. And for the first couple weeks when you log in, you'll get this start here, which you've already seen if you're watching this video. The course homepage will eventually move to the opening page, but I want you to see it. This is mine. When you come in, this is what you will see. You'll have a calendar that will tell you things that might be due. It'll pop on there. Now, the assignments shown on this calendar are only for the My Math Lab assignments and not for discussion forums. You also see announcements, but most of these announcements will be in Blackboard. So if you see it here, then know that you've probably already read it in Blackboard. It tells you upcoming, current, completed, and when you come in also, it will give you your cumulative grade. Under assignments is where you're going to see your homework and your exams. Right now, notice that I have this for all assignments, but if I pull this down, I can choose to just look at the homework that I have coming up. And then if I go to quizzes and tests, that's where you see this orientation, and then the chapter 1 that's not due for a while. All of these sample tests and quizzes are created by the publisher. They are not part of your grade and they are not required. And because I create my own exams, some of these could be helpful, but realize that they might be introducing topics that I don't expect you to know. If it's not in your homework, it's not in the exam. Once you start a test, you have to you have to take it. You will have 2 attempts for the ones that are not proctored. For the homework, this is, you can come and go as you please. Here's the due date, and then it will mark it late after the due date, but you can keep working on it. I want to show you that in the homework, I can, like I said, keep going as much as I want to. I have options down here for help me solve and view an example. And the view an example is like a PowerPoint. You read it, hit continue, and it'll keep going. And you can print these if they're helpful. You do get 3 attempts for every problem, and then it'll give you a help. So I'm going to do 3 bad ones just so you can see what happens. And then it'll give me the correct answer, and then I can choose to do a similar question or just move on to the next one. And when you do the similar question, that just allows you to keep working on your homework until you get 100%. If you ever want to practice your homework, don't do it in the homework section because it will change your grade. If you want to practice any of the homework, you do it here on the left side under study plan. And you can click on chapters and just hit the plus sign out to the side, the titles, and then it'll give you all of the objectives. But if you're not sure, then you can pick a problem that's similar to the one that you had. The discussions are hidden to you. Our discussions will be in Blackboard, okay? Under the document sharing tab, you'll see some course handouts, which would be your syllabus, course schedule, and the proctor form that's also in Blackboard. And then under each chapter are some, this one shouldn't be here because, so you won't see these 2, but what you do have is a bunch of documents of my written lectures and a few completed lectures that went along with the video lectures. So the difference between the video lectures is the suggested ones are ones that I have found online as an extra resource for you if you find them helpful. The recorded live lectures are from my online live course a couple semesters ago. So it's actually me using the handouts that you just saw. And then the author in action videos is just what it sounds like. It is the author, and they also provide lecture notes for those videos. So you have 3 sources of places that you can get videos for the content that we're covering. And then here's your student gradebook. And so it'll show you your overall score up here at the top. If this doesn't ever pop up, notice it's a down arrow. So see how it goes away. So you'd want to click that to see what your overall score is. You can always review an assignment if you want to. And again, you can choose which ones that you're looking at. And then here's the e-text. So if you don't want to carry your math book around with you, you have that. And then also the video and resource library, which is going to bring the videos again, and just has a few more guides in order to help you.